Hello, what is your name?
Hi, I'm Sheila May Rabago,
How old are you?
28 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic,
Are you married?
single.
Okay. How long you been working in Hong Kong?
My first employer is 11 months, and my previous employer is 11 months also.
Okay. So do you have any working experience in other countries?
Yes, I'm working before in Dubai,
Okay. How many years?
2 years and 6 months,
Okay. So how long you been working with your previous employer?
11 months,
Where's your employer living in?
in Wong Tai Sin,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
500 square feet,
How many family member there?
2.
Okay. So would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock in the morning because my popo need to go to the elderly, and after I will go with her until 3 o'clock p.m.
Okay.
and then we come back home and cleaning, cooking, everything.
Okay. So how about dinner? What time you cook?
Sometimes 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock.
What time they eat?
6:30 because popo need the exactly time 6:30.
Okay. So what time you go to bed?
If I finish my work, sometimes 9:30.
Okay. Thank you so much.